Hello sunshine, welcome back to my channel. I am Artemis and are you ready to travel in the art world? Today we will paint a ballerina with cotton swabs step by step. You can use temperas or acrylic colors. I will help you make the most beautiful ballerina dress, and I hope you like this easy painting technique. I really hope to help you. Art is therapy. You can discover the world of relaxing painting. I post video every week, so do not forget to subscribe and to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. Write in the comments if you have used this painting technique. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.